In this video, I want to show you how to share your screen in Google Meet. If you want to share your screen in Google Meet, once you have joined, come down to the bottom here and you see join. So click on it, and here you can share your Chrome tab, and you can share the windows, whereby you can share a particular window with people in the meeting depending on the windows you open. Then you can also share your entire screen, which means people will be able to see your entire screen. Just select it and click on share. Once you click on share, you see some series of pages like this. So for you to share your screen, you have to minimize that very page, and people will now be able to see your screen. All the people in the meeting will be able to see your screen, and everything you are doing, they will be able to view it. Let me show you something here. If I go back to that page where you share your screen, at this page, people may not be able to see your screen properly. So if you want to share a particular tab, you have to go to that tab. For instance, if you want to share this tab, go to that tab. If you are on this very tab where you share your screen, it may be distorted. People may not be able to see your screen. So this is quite simple and straightforward to share your screen. And you can share any tab, and if you are open a folder, you can open any folder and people will be seeing what you are doing. You can share any folder, you can share in as much you have selected the entire screen. You can share it, and if you want to stop it, you can say stop sharing. You can see it down here, or alternatively you can go back to that page and you see stop presenting. So this is how to share your screen.